Okay, let's try to fix some of this. Hey, what's up, Coy? How are you doing? You are missed. You are missed. Are you gonna be in town? What's up, Crola? You gonna be in town this Saturday for the draw together? What's up, Crola T? See, I'm trying to upload a video. See if I can try to work on the ticket page. Driving back tomorrow. Driving back to Jacksonville tomorrow or back to Orlando tomorrow? Why does this still not look right? Okay, well, this part looks right. I need to change out the video down here. I'm trying to render it and push it up now. So I think this video is going to end, and there's like a part where all three verticals look the same because it's like from the same event. The video looks kind of ratty too. So I need to up the quality of that. Alright, come back for Easter. Okay, that'll be nice. For your family, super excited to have you back. Yo, what's up, Johnny5? How you doing? Alright, let's swap out the ticket landing page. Let's change the video out. Changing the YouTube video. Hold on one second. I'm gonna look at the chat as soon as I update this video. Okay, save that. Publish the changes, and let's see if it actually works this time. What's the Creatorverse? The Creatorverse is our event. It's a conference focused on creators. So whether you're an artist or a content creator, a live streamer, musician, just creators of all kinds, letting them all get together. We usually do this meetup once a month called Jack's Creators Meetup. So this one will have panels and workshops and all kinds of activities for like creating stuff together. If you want to learn about how to incorporate and get a business around your YouTubing, or how to work with other creators, how to figure out how to use OBS or maybe podcasts, Creatorverse conference. I'm trying to get everything buttoned up before we do like a hard push. Publishing failed. What? That's not good. Transient acquire sandbox error. Failed to acquire sandbox configuration. That's not good. If you think you'll be in town for it, it's in it'll be June 13th and 14th at the Schultz Center. So we'll have, so to give so Aloft has I think their ballroom. Let me check just to make sure. Aloft. I want to say it's close to 2,000 feet, maybe 3,000. Okay, so that main ballroom in a loft, when it's all opened up, is about 3,000 square feet. A little bit more. The main ballroom that we're using at the Schultz Center, I think, is over 9,000 square feet. And it's got all the internet that we could need. Then we'll have additional classrooms. Then we're renting out 4 additional rooms right now. And a lounge. And I don't know what else. All I know is the bill's humongous. So I really hope people buy tickets for this. I got to put out the press release so people actually know that it's happening. How's school going, by the way? And damn, your art looks so good on that giant backdrop. I'm going to see if I can bring it on Saturday. I have to leave probably halfway through for a birthday party. But I'm sure we could set it up there and everyone will enjoy it. Alright, we're waiting for this update to push. Yeah, why is this video so ratty? I know it should be a 1080p by 360 video. And why do the buttons look so jank? Alright, update. Come on, I'm trying to push an update to fix these janky ass looking buttons. They should be nice like this. If anybody wants to go to Creatorverse, use the code JacksCreators and you get a discount, 10%, I think. Let's see. Yep, there it is. That part works, so that's good. Alright, come on. Is that update? Has it published yet? Alright, come on. There we go. The buttons look better. Should be the right video now. What's up, taking a massive L? How you doing? I didn't read the end part and I thought I was taking a massive dump at first. Both names very awesome. Okay. Those buttons work. That button works. Make sure this still works. Actually, I wonder if this should go up here instead. People can have a better idea of what to expect. Photographers, I should probably have videographers there too. And I should probably list a few different types of artists. I know some people, they don't see who they are up there, then they're like, oh, I don't think it's for me. And I don't blame them, because there's so many different types of creators. It's easy to think that, oh, this isn't for me. This is supposed to be a carousel, not a gallery. See if we can fix that. In the ticket landing editor, there is an image gallery supposed to be a carousel. The images automatically rotate, and the user can also step the carousel forward, back, pause, or play. Please help make this change. I like that I can currently see all the images and try to reorder them on the admin side. What's up, Kaylee D. Davis? How are you? Oh, the memories. All the creators that have come through over the years. That's when the Creatorverse looked like that. It's before we had time to really make him the cartoony version that he is today. Okay, good. This is actually looping now. That works. How are you doing, Kaylee? What kind of creator are you? Okay, here's the actual app. So we added a new feature last night. By last night, I mean like 2 in the morning. So now as you're meeting people at the conference, let's say you meet like 20, 30 people and you're like, oh, I'd really like to email them or send them a text or find them on their social. It's kind of inconvenient to have to go back to the app and then click through each person to get that information. So we're giving you the ability to just export all the data of the people that you connect with during the conference. So I hope y'all like that feature. I hope it brings somebody joy. What's up, Island Wild Comics? How are you doing? Let me sign out. Let me sign in with a different account. So yeah, happy collisions. So see, you could just go through and click. Look, we've already collided. Tia needs to update and put her social handles in there. I'm gonna have to push. Maybe I'll have to do like a quest. Update your social handles to get like an additional 100 experience points or something. That might help. But yeah, now you can just export the people that you meet. Hello, Island Wild. Another thing is, depending on what you put in when you're creating your account, you can then find people that are intersecting with you. Like if you're looking for a sponsor and there's a sponsor looking for a creator, hopefully it'll automatically collide you for a happy collision. So you find the people that kind of match with you. There's not that many people in here right now because the conference hasn't happened yet. Gives you like a matching score. And then you can use the credits to meet people. We limited the number of credits so people don't go spamming people, you know? You can earn more credits by doing things within the app or attending parts of the event, doing quests and stuff like that. So don't worry. How many credits do you think you should start off with? Like, do you think you should be able to meet like 5 people? Now, you can still meet people if you go up to them and be like, hey, how are you doing? And you can scan their app and then you'll automatically be connected. But if you want to meet someone that you don't know, like maybe you see somebody who owns like an AI company or somebody that's the head of like a big music studio and you want to meet them, you can just boop, click collide. How many of those do you think you should get? Like 5? 10? 100? I don't know. Maybe we should ask the community that. I'll do it as a post or something. OG Silly Warts. Oh, one of my favorite people, Plants by Wade Lee. How are you doing? think you're in this video at the bottom. Yep, there you are right now. You showed up just in time as we cycle through the video footage of you. I'm sad you're not going to be in town for this, are you, Wade? Okay, let's see now. I'm trying to make this into a carousel instead of an image gallery. Go through the admin tool, ticket landing editor. Still says image gallery, but let's push this update and see what happens. Why is this black down here? It should be looping. Did I render a video with a bunch of dead space? Yep, I did. Dang it. I rendered a video that's 3 minutes and 25 seconds when there's only like 40 seconds worth of footage that loops. So let me fix that too. Hold on, let me go back into Premiere. File, export, send Adobe Media Encoder. 44.18 seconds. Alright, let's fix this. I could have swore that it was trimmed down, but I guess I messed up. And I think I may have just frozen my computer. If it crashes, I'm sorry. I'll see you tomorrow. If it doesn't crash, then we'll keep going. There we go, didn't crash. Okay, good. Let's see, black lines, 44:18. Wait, did I just upload the same video twice? Is that why it's like that? I think that's what I did. Dang it, I'm stupid. Okay, I'm watching you render now. I'm watching you render. Come on, I don't want to see any black space. I think we're good. Let's see. Okay, yep, that's it. So, let's update YouTube. Upload new video. Okay, no, it's not for kids. No, don't restrict my viewers. Even though we're gonna make this unlisted. Next. Checking copyright, checking community guidelines. What's Erica? What's up, Erica? Brooke Warenga? Am I saying that right? Trying to upload this video now to YouTube so then I can pull it on my site here. It should be like a looping background video. This way I don't have to have that constant chug happening on my server. And then it's way faster for y'all because we know YouTube's gonna serve that video way faster than any hosting plan I can get. I'm hoping the quality will improve over the next 24 hours. Usually they do this thing where when it first uploads, it's not the greatest. And I think that's what's happening here. Okay, past copyright. Come on, past community guidelines. See? And now it's black because I messed up and I uploaded a video with a ton of dead space in it. That is on me. Come on, YouTube. Oh, the image carousel works now. It's way too short. Yeah, that's not good at all. Maybe I should save a whole bunch of images that size instead. I don't have to go and do all that now. I think I'm gonna have to though. Alright. YouTube, are you done? I think so. Alright. Next, let's make it unlisted instead of private. Copy. Save. Alright, now we can update the video. Going to the ticket landing page editor and the admin tool, the Creatorverse conference, and let's update this YouTube video. Do I want to make this image gallery taller? It's going to push everything else down. What's up, Edmundi T Art? Edmund Ty Art, maybe? Am I saying it right? See, this is full height. This might be kind of a tall carousel. How do they handle the carousels on Instagram? What's up, M3174? Checking to see if this video actually loops now instead of just ending the dead space. I'm thinking about moving this to up here. And then the carousel could be full height. Okay, I see what they did there. How should I change this carousel? I like that the carousel allows the user to click the image to enlarge. and we make it so the carousel maintains the aspect ratio of the images, so we don't have to crop them. And let's see, how tall is this thing right now? Let's inspect it. Right now it's 239.25 pixels tall, so let's make it I really think I need to change the position of this and the hero image. Oh wait, I could just use a YouTube video for the header image. Why wouldn't I just do that? Let's see, alright, we'll make sure the header media has the same YouTube capabilities as the video embed widget. Also, give the same abilities and functions and features to the header media that the video embed widget has. I need to be more specific. Also, in the ticket landing editor, alright, let's see if we can fix this. We're gonna try to make the carousel a little bit different. Like, I think it works well. But we're not going to have hardly any horizontal images because everything we have is pretty much formatted for Instagram. So we're going to try to keep more of like a vertically formatted carousel. And maybe keep it at like 400 pixels tall. And then if the user wants, they can tap and get the bigger image. And then we're going to put this up here and this down there. Dang it, you know, instead of calling it a header media, I should just call it a media widget. Because it takes an image and video. Yep, that's my bad. Alright, we're pushing another update right now. We'll see if it takes. Hey, look at that. The loop's good now. Boom, just automatically came back to the beginning. No long era of dead space. Let's see, it's processing. Oh, I'm getting hungry. I need to get some dinner soon. Ugh. What is everybody working on tonight or this week? Anybody else getting ready for Easter? Alright, let me check out this media tool now. Or this header media tool that I should probably change to just a flat out media tool. I don't see the same functionality there. That is not good. Try it again. YouTube. Okay, it's there now. All right. Let's try this. Let's push this update to production. We should see this getting swapped out for video in just a minute. That bold text should be orange. I'm just now realizing it. That's how nitpicky I get, y'all. Can I change? What? Hold on. Alright, let's do it like this. Why can't I change anything else to be orange? I can only change one thing to be orange? That's kind of weak. Cheat around. If I copy and paste it with it colored, then I can just retype it. I'll maintain it. There we go. Oh, I didn't save my changes. That's... Alright, let's see if this works. Although there we go. Look, there we go. We got the video stuff here now. There we go. That works. I like that. Does this work? I should probably take it a little bit higher so they can put in the coupon code. Let's replace the video widgets. At the bottom of the ticket landing editor with another header media widgets. That way we can use images or videos there. Also, please, where's that button? Get tickets now, please. Get tickets now button. Scroll the user high enough so they can see the what do you call this input field for entering a code. Screenshot. Okay, I feel pretty good about this. I think we can actually launch this tomorrow. My concern was that people were going to get to the page to get a ticket, and they're like, is this really for me? Especially when the page was so bare bones before. At first I was thinking I was just trying to streamline it so we can just go and get the ticket, but sometimes people need more information, and I need to be better about that. You know, not everybody. I'm wired a weird way. Like, I'm like, oh, this is it. I'm going in. I'm going to go to the grocery store and just get a Celsius and leave, you know? So I need to be more pathetic. But that's why I changed it. So now, ooh, look at this. Now I'm happy. The text here is orange for the important part of the details. Have a little bit of video footage showcasing what it's like to be around all these other creators. You can see pictures of other creators who've been here before. Now you see, like, oh, I'm a YouTuber, this is for me, or I'm an Instagrammer, or I'm a podcaster. Then you get to the bottom, I want to get my ticket, scroll me back to top. I think this is a much better landing page. And then once they get their ticket, they can log into here. And then when it's time for the creator conference, they'll be able to meet tons of other creators. Alright, I'm gonna go get some food for my family. Then I'll probably get back to work on this. But thanks for hanging out with me tonight, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.